constant voltage drop model. This model is the simplest and most widely used diode model. It assumes that a forward conducting diode has a constant voltage drop value of 0.7 volts without any incremental resistance. This model is the one most frequently employed model in the initial stages of analysis and design. Now, in this model, there are two components that are connected in series. Now, look at this model. This is real diode model. Now, in constant voltage drop model, this real diode is replaced with an ideal diode and a voltage source having a constant voltage drop of 0.7 volts, and these two components are connected in series as you can see here. Now we will understand current voltage characteristic curve of constant voltage drop model. Look at this IV plane where the variable of x-axis is Vd or diode voltage and the variable of y-axis is Id or diode current. Now look at this curve. Here this curve is representing this exponential diode current equation, which is Id is equal to Is e raised to the power v divided by nVt. Now in constant voltage drop model, vertical straight line is used to approximate this exponential curve. So it is drawn something like this is line A and this is line B. And as I have mentioned earlier that this model has a constant voltage drop value of 0.7 volts. So this is 0.7 volts. Okay, here this line B is approximating this exponential curve. Now look at line A. Here ID is equal to 0. It means diode is off. Now if we look at line B, it is parallel to y-axis. It means its slope is undefined. So this is current voltage characteristic of constant voltage drop model. Now look at this example. If you have to determine the diode current ID and the diode voltage VD for the circuit where VDD is 5 volts and R is 1 kilo ohms, so how you are going to analyze this circuit using constant voltage drop model? For suppose this is your real diode model where this is VDD, this is R and this is diode, that is real diode. Now what will be its equivalent constant voltage drop model? It will be something like this, where this real diode is replaced by an ideal diode and a voltage source. This is VDD, this is R, this is VD, and this is a voltage source which has a constant voltage drop value of 0.7 volts. Here the current ID is flowing in this direction. Okay, so how you are going to analyze this circuit? First you will write KVL equation. This is positive, this is negative, this is positive, negative, positive, negative. So we'll start our analysis from here. So our KVL equation will be minus VDD plus IDR plus VD plus VS is equal to 0. Okay. If this ideal diode is forward biased, it means VD is equal to 0 and ID is maximum. So this equation A will become minus VDD plus IDR plus Vs is equal to 0, and after putting our given values it will be minus 5 plus ID 1000 plus 0.7 is equal to 0. ID is equal to 5 minus 0.7 divided by 1000 is equal to 4.3 milliampere. So this is the value of diode current. Now, what will be the value of diode voltage? VD, we know that this constant voltage drop model has a constant value of voltage drop which is 0.7 volts. So this is the value of diode voltage in this model.